Hello and welcome back. So I just decided I'm going to be doing a few practice question videos. So this is just going to be about algebra. I think I'll do like one video per question, just so that I can really explain it in detail, and it's all going to be a part of this algebra, this algebra like playlist. So let's just take a look at the first question, which is room 1, which is to simplify some expressions. So we need to combine like terms and simplify constants. So what we must do is, so that's our study tip. So our study tip is to combine like terms and to simplify constants. So that just means that we must find the like terms and, work it out. So if we go with A first, it's 2a plus 3b minus 4a plus 5b. So if we grab our highlighter, and then so the two terms, so some terms that I already see at first is 2a and 4a, negative 4a, we can't forget the negative. And then you have 3b plus 5b. So if we combine these terms, like it says to do, so 2a subtracted by 4a gives us negative 2a plus 3b plus 5b, which gives us 8b. So our answer to A is 2a plus 8b. So that's our answer to A. Now let's take a look at B, which looks a bit longer, but it's exactly the same thing. So you've got 2p plus 7q minus 6r plus 3p minus 4q minus r. So now what we're going to do is highlight our like terms. So we've got 2p and 3p. We've got 7q and 4q, negative 4q, and we've got 6r and just r. So if we were to work that out, that would be 2p plus 3p. So 2p plus positive 3p. So 2p plus 3p. So I'm just going to put them to like their own little brackets. Plus, then we've got 7q minus 4q. Minus 4q. And then we've got, so plus minus 6r minus r. So then how we're going to work this out is we're just going to add these two, which gives us 5p, plus 7q minus 4q, which gives us 3q, plus minus 6r minus r, which will give us minus 7, plus minus 7. So that would mean just subtracting 7 from it, no adding. So our answer to B is this. That's as much as you can simplify it. Okay, now let's move on to C. And I just wanted to remind you guys that you don't have to watch the video. You can pause it and attempt the questions yourself, and then you can always just skip ahead to the highlighted parts, which will be the answers. So this is the answer for B. Now C, we have 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus, oh yes, and it's also in brackets, plus negative 3x plus 6y minus 1. So to work this one out, a bit tight, let's make this a bit smaller and then zoom in. Yeah, so minus 1. So 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus minus 3x plus 6y minus 1. So obviously what we have to do is find our like terms. So we've got 2x and 3x. We've got 3y, negative 3y, and positive 6y. We also have 4 and minus 1. So that would just be, I guess we could highlight them, but they're not really their own separate terms, so we won't. So it is 2x minus 3x, which gives us negative 1x. Then we've got minus 3y plus 6y, which gives us 3y plus 3y. And then we've got plus 4 minus 1, which gives us plus 3. And our answer to that is indeed this. So that is our answer to C. We also have a D, I believe, but you guys can work out D on your own because I think that you should be able to, and I will write down the answer on the side. So I'm just gonna wait. And I also wanted to remind you that, so that's part 1 of the answer, if anyone's confused. And then part 2, that's part 2 of the answer. Yeah, so I just want to remind you guys that I will be putting this up as I will be having a long form video of how you work out how to do algebraic expressions, how to simplify them, how to solve them. And it will all in all be very fun. So I want you to, if you ever get stuck, just go onto my channel and search algebraic expressions and it should be there. And the final part of the question is, so this is the answer to D, just to be clear. Let's do it in a different colour. I guess it's not that different, but yes. So that's the final answer for D. And yes, it follows the exact same way. And thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one.